Hello children. Yes, at the end we have came to one-on-one meeting, isn't it? Okay, at very first class I am interacted with you at very 3 to 4 classes. I just interact with you, and afterwards we get engaged to the activities, isn't it? Because there are a lot of activity, so I used to engage it because there is no other way, is it, children? So I want make you to learn phonics very easily. So I want to spend more time on the exercise or on the activities. So I can't able to see you through the video. So at the end we came to the end, children. We have seen a lot of activity, isn't it? We have seen a lot of activities. Today we are going to just recollect all the activities which was gone through on those days. Okay. So we are going to do a very brilliant, interesting and very useful recollection of our throughout video. Okay children, are you sure? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, tap your hands, tap, tap, tap. Okay, ready? Let's we go to the recollecting moments. Okay, now your video gets started to the recollecting. At very first I have used these cards, isn't it? These lamination card I've used to tell about the phonic sound of the each and every letter. Okay, so this card help you to improve your phonic skill very much, because even I am writing on the board, it will be not so attractive. Okay, it will be not so attractive. If I make some cards like this, if I show cards like this, you can be more attractive. So I made this card especially for you, and this video is not especially for the children's. This video is you can, and the teachers also, you can utilize with these in this video, because I've given a lot of ideas how to take a phonics class also. Okay, this video is not only for a children, this is also for a teacher who are starting to teach a phonics to the students, or this is the video for a mother who makes the children to start the phonics or to teach the phonics to the children. Okay, so this video is dedicating for those also, for the very beginning a teacher and the mother. Okay, I just made a card like this. You can also make the card like this. It's very reasonable cost. It's worth at least worth 200 to 300. It's only its cost. So it's very easy. If your mother, you can just create like this. You can take a printout in your printer and make a lamination like this. I just made it like this, A and B. Okay, if your mother, you can if you made this and if you teach your child, he can understand and he can get very much interest to study. Okay, let's recall what are the letters and what are the phonic sounds having. Okay, this is a card I've used it to recollect. I'm going to recollect the phonic sound. Okay children, let's cheer up. This is A, isn't it? This is B, B. This is C, K. This is D, D. This is E, A, E. This is F, F. This is G, G. This is H, H, that sound. This is I, E. This is J, J, J. This is K and it sounds K. Okay, C and K always sound similar. C also sounds like K and K also sounds like K. Okay, next card is L. L sounds like L, L, L. And M sounds like M. Next N N sounds like in, and sometimes the N sounds like na. Okay, if the N comes at the starting of the word, then N sounds like na. If the N comes ending of the letter, then the N will sounds like in. In. Okay. Okay, next this is O. Okay, the sound of the letter O is a o. A o. This is P. The sound of the letter P is p. P. This is Q. The sound of the letter Q is qua. Qua. The duck sound isn't qua qua. Qua. And the sound of letter R is ru. You have to keep your tongue here. Ru. Ru. And the next letter is T. The sound of the letter T is t. 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 Okay. The sound of letter S is sh. 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 Sound of snake. Okay. Sh. And the sound of letter U is a. This sound will be differ from the letter A. The letter A sounds like a. But the letter U sounds like a. The letter V sounds like v. You want to keep your teeth out. Okay, so it's a moreover like a riding or racing bike sound. Okay, next one is W, and W sounds like va. 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 Okay. And this is X, and it sounds like x. X. This is a Y, and it sounds like ya. Ya. It is Z, and it sounds like z. Z. Okay, children. Okay. Now we just recall the phonic sound using these cards. Okay, if your parents or if you are a beginner teacher, you can make this card and you can teach your children or students very easily, and it makes them to concentrate more than bored. Okay.